To roller skate, first put on a helmet to protect yourself in case you fall. Then, find some flat pavement to practice on and put on your roller skates. Stand up and keep your knees bent under your shoulders. Keep your back straight as you take a few small steps forward to find your center of gravity. Once you're comfortable taking steps, practice taking longer strides by pushing off of one foot while extending the other out in front of you. As the foot that you're extending lands, shift your weight to your front foot and raise your back leg off of the ground while pushing off to repeat the process. To continue gliding, keep both feet parallel and lower your back a little to gain more control over your balance. To stop, lift one foot slightly forward to make the toe stop connect with the ground. Allow the toe stop to grind against the pavement, using the friction to slow your speed. Keep practicing, and try not to get discouraged if you fall.